A new change for this building. Since the Hypermart Panic branch has been closed at the end of September 2024, it seems the roofing wall has been stopped operating, while in North Sector hallways, it seems the one unit escalator has been removed, and then another clone has been refilled. The management deciding to add S-Jack into the moving wall to replace the X-escalator space. At the end of October 2024, it seems the 2-unit Sigma SGT moving wall has been decommissioned. And also, the management building is deciding again to replace the 2-unit Jakarta separate. The program installation may take many weeks or months later. In the second week of January 2025, one unit moving wall has been commissioned, but the other 2 units seems to be under finalization and will be operated soon before the day opening of Diamond Supermarket in next week. Also, the entire video will be released soon. That's for the information. Make sure to keep the like or dislike this content or subscribe for get more updates this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.